Looking for a compact or slim-style range hood that simply glides open? If so, the Pacific PQ68 is an excellent choice. The black crystal panel automatically wakes up when your hand is close. And the ergonomic parallel view design reduces pressure on your neck and shoulders. Plus, Pacific's high-quality custom LED lights provide warm light that won't blind you. We also use heat-resistant textured stainless steel for the trim panel near the stovetop for safety. But that's not all. There are the tailor-made dual motors, a total of 4 speeds, and the super powerful suction, all delivered in a quiet and comfortable cooking environment. The PQ68 has the deepest body of any gliding hood. It perfectly covers either a 4-burner or 6-burner stove, but doesn't occupy the space above the stove, so you can use different size pots simultaneously. With a built-in timer, you can set cooking time reminders and never forget to turn off the heat. There are 2 options for delay off: 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Choose one to absorb any residual fumes and ensure an odor-free room. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds in the off state to lock the touch panel and wipe down the glass surfaces. The baffle filter and oil cup are easily removed and can be placed in the dishwasher or rinsed with clean water for easy cleaning. Finally, the Pacific PQ68 can be wall-mounted or installed under cabinet according to your kitchen design. Experience the unparalleled power of Pacific today.